Welcome to Healthy Aging with Annie.
Welcome once again to another health talk. My name is Anne Oviero, and today I'm going to be showing us how you can boost your metabolism. Okay, now for women that are having hormonal imbalance, even men, you can always do this detox water recipe. It is very good to help to detox your system and help you to also regulate your hormonal imbalance. So are you a lady out there and you're having hormonal imbalance issues? You can always do this recipe. It is very good. And if you're also trying to do a detox, you can chat me up. I can get this delivered to you on 08034 005928. This will help to remove toxins and free radicals from your body, most especially women that are having hormonal imbalance issue. It is very good. Even men can use this for detox. It will help to regulate your hormones and take care of that issues. Now let's get down to business. Once again, this is Healthy Aging with Annie, and my name is Anne Oviero. So who is online with me today? Let's see how we are going to do this water detox recipe to help to boost your metabolism and also help you to detoxify your system if you're having hormonal imbalance issue. So for today, I'm going to be using cucumber, and I'm going to be using ginger. Yes, I'm going to be using cucumber. I'm going to be using ginger. I'm going to be using lemon, and I'm going to be using my mint leaf, and then water and water. So these are the things I'll be using for this water detox recipe. Try this at home. It's very good. I already have my ginger peeled. Let's get started. But then let me quickly run through the health benefits of all this. Now, cucumbers are very good. If you're having hormonal imbalance and you want to also do a detox program, it's very good to do this water detox recipe. It will boost your metabolism and it will also help to regulate hormones. Now, cucumbers are packed full with lignans, and these lignans are very good because they contain phytonutrients, and they also contain powerful antioxidant properties that can help to balance hormonal issues, okay, for both men and women. This is very good because most women and men experience a lot of hormonal issues. So this cucumber will help to take care of those hormonal issues that you might be experiencing. Cucumber helps to also boost your metabolism. It is very good. It helps to make you stay regular, and it helps to avoid constipation. Now that is because the water in it is doing this work. So the next one is my lemon. Lemon is very good because it contains powerful antioxidant properties. Okay, now you might want to ask, why do you have to do this water detox recipe when we all know that the liver or your body does a great job by detoxifying itself and its organs? But then you need this because you need to also stay hydrated. Staying hydrated helps your body organs to function at their optimal level. So it is very important, and it's also very good for you to drink lots of water. Try and drink at least 8 glass to 10 glass of water on a daily basis. It will help your body, aid your body's own detoxifying effort, so you will not be putting too much pressure on your liver. Okay, drinking water helps to flush out toxins also, and that is why this recipe is super good. It helps cleanse your liver also, your kidney, and your colon helps it to function very well. This recipe that I'm going to show you, so try and do this try and do this water detox recipe. Is super good. So today our water recipe, like I said, I've talked about cucumber, I've talked about lemon. Now these are very good. The mint leaf is also very good. because it contains some properties that helps to aid digestion in your system. You know, you need a good gut health. It is very important that you have a good digestive system. So this will help you because it has anti-inflammatory properties that will help you. And in addition, this lemon will also help you a lot. It helps to cleanse and remove toxins from your system. Lemon also helps to reduce inflammation and it helps to improve digestion. So try and add this to your diet for the day. You can do this recipe twice or three times a week or once a week, depending on how busy you are. And like I said, if you don't want to go through this process, this is also another natural way for you to detox. If you're interested in this, just call or WhatsApp me on 08034005928. So the last but not the least is my ginger and my water. These are also very, very good and important. I've talked about water and the need for you to take water. It's good because it helps to flush toxins and free radicals from your body. Now, this ginger is super good when it comes to hormonal imbalance issues because it helps to reduce inflammation, okay, as it relates to hormonal imbalance, and it helps to boost metabolism as well. So let's get started. I'm using one full cucumber. You can see the size of my cucumber. So who is online with me? Just say hello. Let's know where you're chatting from. And then I can specially welcome and greet you. And kindly share this video once you come across it. All right. This water detox recipe is very good. Always detox is very good because by doing this you are helping your organs and you're boosting your metabolism. And for women that are having hormonal imbalance issue, even men, this will help to regulate it. So this is my ginger that we are adding. Ginger is always very, very good in every meal. You can always use it to season your food. Most of us are already doing that, and that is very, very good. And you can always put it in your smoothie. All right. Kindly share this video whenever you come across it. So I'm going to squeeze the water of the lemon into. I'm using one full lemon. If you are using half cucumber, then you can use half lemon. But because I'm using one full lemon, I'm using one full cucumber. So I'm squeezing in. You can see this. I'm putting the water inside. What I need is the juice from the lemon. These are natural things that you can find around you, and do this regularly and you'll be glad you did because it will help you a lot. This is very, very good. It helps to detoxify the system. Then my mint leaf. So I'm going to just pluck them and put it inside. I'm using all this. You can always get mint leaf around you. This one, I'm using one full cucumber. So I'm using a mint leaf worth 100 naira. I don't know how much they sell in your area, but if you're going to use half cucumber, you can use mint leaf that is worth 50 naira. That is half of this. So just plug them in. This detox water detox recipe is super, super good. I do this a lot, and whenever I do it, it's always best to take this on empty stomach. It's very good you take this on empty stomach. Okay, it's very, very good because it will help to cleanse your organ, cleanse your system, and you will feel refreshed, and even your system will be, your organs will be clapping for you. Like, you don't get to wash the inside. So this recipe is as good as you're washing the inside of your body that you cannot fully see. Okay, so that is why this water detox program is good. It boosts metabolism, and it takes care of toxins and free radicals. So I'm done. I said I'm using all, so I need to plug them in. All right, so I'm done with this, and I'm just going to add. They have all been washed. I washed them just to save time. I'm going to add little water and then blend. So who is online with me? All right then, so this is our water detox recipe. So try and do this at home at your own time. Do this consistently and you'll be glad you did. Wow, I can perceive it. This is nice. Mm. I can feel the ginger in it, the mint leaf, the cucumber, everything is just in proportion. So you can see, so it depends on how you want this. Always do this in the morning, or you can do this and refrigerate. When you want to take, you can bring it out and let it not be too cold when you want to take it. It's very, very good. It helps to detoxify your organs and remove toxins and free radicals from your system. This is really, really nice. Try this recipe and you'll be glad you did. Let me quickly run through. I use lemon, cucumber, mint leaf, water, and then ginger. So try and get yours and do this, and you'll be glad you did. And for women that are experiencing menopausal symptoms, perimenopause symptoms, you can also WhatsApp me for this. Vitalize for Women and the marker is very, very good. Thank you very much. Do not forget to share this video when you come across it, and also do not forget to like and follow our page, Healthy Aging with Annie. We are also on YouTube with Healthy Aging with Annie. Thank you very much. See you again in my next video. Bye.